Welcome to the Better Memoir Writing Masterclass channel. For those of you who do not know me, I am Denis Ledoux. I'm the author of the classic granddaddy of memoir writing books, Turning Memories into Memoirs, and I am the founder of the Memoir Network. In today's video, we look at structuring your memoir. Many writers, when asked how they intend to structure a memoir they are about to write, react as if they have been asked how they will create a structure to a skyscraper. To structure a memoir is an important undertaking, but it is not as complicated as creating structure that will support a tall building, nor is it so rigidly fixed. You can learn to structure your memoir. Unlike a skyscraper or a bridge, a memoir is not solid and subject to physical imperatives like gravity and demands of storms. While a memoir must take many rules into account, it must respect verisimilitude, and it must enact plotting and round out characterization. It must tell the truth. These are often manipulable in the way that gravity or storms just simply is not. In a way, the phrase structure a memoir is a misnomer, but we do need words to describe what we do. Literature is notoriously plagiaristic when it comes to finding words to describe itself. For instance, we take from music the words voice and tone. We rightly say a memoir has a voice and a tone. We take from dance the word pace and movement. Again, our memoirs need both pacing and movement, and a good memoir exhibits both. After looking at these borrowings, why not take the word structure from engineering? Let's look at different structural components of a memoir. These components are essentially elements that will make your memoir both more interesting and meaningful. Where does your story begin? Think of the beginning, the entry into your story, as a necessary first element. You need to begin your story at the point where the action begins to unfold. A story about a divorce and the reconstruction of a life does not begin with the first date in high school. It might begin with the first time you realized that this marriage could simply not continue. How do you include a backstory? It will probably be necessary at some point to mention something about your first date. But when should you do it? This backstory will be a flashback. Ought it to go early in your story, or ought it to wait? This too will contribute to how to structure your memoir. Pacing. How do you pace your story? Certainly, you don't want to give the ending away, but you have to let the reader experience that your story is moving along, but not so fast nor not so slow. This is what we call pacing, and it can and frequently should include some fictional elements such as foreshadowing and suspense. In writing your memoir, have you been complete and concise? This is important in what we call structuring a memoir. You must include all the information that needs to be included to understand what is going on, but you must take out everything that is superfluous. In that sense, we say that your structure is lean. An outline, however, is not necessary to structure a memoir well. Some writers feel they have to outline a story and consider the outline to be a structure, a necessary structure. Well, we are not against outlines, absolutely. We at the Memoir Network, we do recognize them as being inhibiting of the free flow of a story. You need this free flow to best access some of the deeper layers of storytelling. See our videos on memory lists on YouTube. We consider a memory list to be a more powerful inspiration than an outline, and the memory list will end up with its own logic for structuring your memoir. If you would like to explore receiving help with your memoir on any aspect of memoir writing, know that we offer a 30-minute complimentary get-to-know-you coaching consultation. Oh, and before you go, here's a bonus link to our video. Instead of writing memory prompts, and a second video, Magic Writing Bullet. These videos will help you both to structure your memoir and to write it more quickly. Remember, inch by inch, it's a cinch. Yard by yard, it's hard. Good luck writing your stories. The videos that we post on the Better Memoir Writing Masterclass channel are just one of the many ways we can help people write better memoir. I'd like to take just a few moments to share more of what the Memoir Network can offer you by way of partnering with you to write and publish your memoir. Our free membership program, My Memoir Education, offers you access to e-courses, e-books, videos, and more. We have had thousands of people benefit from the free My Memoir Education to write their memoirs, and we hope you will become a member too. Our blog contains over 500 in-depth posts on different aspects of memoir writing, and it too is free. Come on over and pick and choose what you need. While free content can be very helpful, there comes a time when you need more focus and more mentoring than you can get from free. We offer coaching, editing, whether copy editing, content editing, or developmental editing, ghostwriting, and book production. Our website features many of our clients' book covers and testimonials. Come and check us out. We also have a number of programs you can purchase. The Memorable Story is a 10-module home study program on every aspect of memoir writing. It provides university-level mentoring. The Inspired Memoir Writer is a group coaching program. You meet with fellow writers over a period of 10 sessions. We also offer Jumpstart Memoir Professional Packages, which are designed for people who would like to help others write their memoir. If you're interested in knowing more, please feel free to call us or email us at info@thememoirnetwork.com. Thanks, and keep writing.